Good, I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a professional website using Wix. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial, and I do recommend Wix as one of the best website builders around. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com. From there, you'll be able to create an account for completely free using your email address. After you have created your account, you're going to tap on Create on Wix Editor. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you're going to tap on Set Up Without AI. And the reason why I recommend that you tap on Set Up Without AI, as this will give you more authority on how to customize the appearance of your website. After you have done that, from here, you can type in, for example, portfolio, and you can select the type of portfolio that you would like to create. As you can see, there are numerous options on how you can zone down or better yet niche down and select what type of portfolio you want. So if we were to select portfolio right there, you can see you can create design portfolio, creative portfolio, film student portfolio, a writing portfolio. There are numerous options that you can choose from. But we're just going to select a general portfolio. Then we're going to tap on continue. Once you have tapped on continue, you're going to give it a few seconds while your dashboard is being prepared. Once your dashboard has been prepared, you're going to tap right where you see enter your name, or better yet enter the name of your site, and you're going to enter your website name. So let's say, for example, I want to call it Jason's Portfolio, so I will type that in real quick. After doing that, you're going to tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. Then from here, you can see some recommended apps. So for sure, we are going to add the portfolio app. You can also add your Instagram feed. And if it is a case that you plan on doing some blogging, you can also select blog. If you plan on selling videos, or if you would like to set up an online store also, you can select whichever one of these options suits you. After doing that, you're going to tap on continue in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have tapped on continue, what I want you to do next is tap on start with a template. After selecting start with a template, you will be redirected to this page, and you can see numerous templates that you can choose from. And this is one of the major standout features when it comes onto Wix, as they provide us with hundreds of templates that you can choose from. And by selecting one of these templates, they make it easy for even a complete beginner to create a professional looking website in no time. So let's say, for example, we were to select this one. After tapping on edit, you will be redirected to the editor page. Once on the editor page, I'll be showing you how to customize the appearance of your website, and it is quite easy to do. So you can see that it is loading up right here. Once it has loaded up, you're going to see a pop-up box appear, and you can type in some information if you want, and you could use the Wix AI feature to compose articles that can be added to your website quickly. But normally I would just close the pop-up, then tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner, and now you can see how your website looks. So this is my website at the moment. Now to start making some changes, all you'll need to do is simply tap on the section that you would like to edit. Then you'll tap on quick edit. After you have done that, for example, I could change the name right there. And also, if it is a case that I would like to change the color or so on, for the header, all I have to do is simply tap on the section. Then you'll see change background color. And from there, I could choose a color of my liking, or I could upload an image or video that I would like to add in my header section. And you can do the same thing with any other section on your website. For example, if you like to change the text right here, you can simply tap on the text box. Then from there, you will see the option quick edit. And from there, you can choose to edit the background. You can edit the text. You can also change the image right here. It is quite easy to use. And now to add an element to your Wix website. So let's say, for example, you would like to add a text right here. All you'll need to do is tap on the plus in the top left hand corner. Then from there, you can add text, image, button, anything at all that you would like to add to your website. You will find it in this section, and you can simply tap and place it wherever you want on your website. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now is scroll down, and you can continue editing each page. And you can tap, talking about pages, to view all the pages on your website, you're going to tap on page in the top left hand corner. After tapping right where you see home, you can see all the pages that are currently on our website. And if we were to select portfolio, you will see how the sample portfolio page looks. So you can see it right here. Now to edit and upload our own portfolio on our website, all you'll need to do is simply tap on the portfolio section, then tap on manage projects. After selecting manage projects, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, all you'll need to do now, you can remove the sample projects by tapping on the box. Then you'll tap on hide selected, or you can select delete right here, and you could remove all of them. After doing that, all you'll need to do now is tap on add project. After selecting add project, you'll add in your project title, then tap on next, and from here you could add in a description, then tap on next once more. Then from here you can type in the project type, date, location, and any other information that you want. Then tap on next once more, and from here you can upload your portfolio from your device. Once you're finished, you'll tap on done, and that's it. After you have added your portfolio, if it is a case that you would like to also create blogs, you can go over to the left hand menu option and you could tap on blog. After doing that, you could create your first blog post by tapping on create post. And from here, you will be able to type out your first article, as you can see right here. And if it is a case that you would like to embed anything or add anything to your article, all you'll need to do is tap on the plus. Then from there, you will get access to all of the elements that you can add in your article, as you can see right here. And once you're finished, you'll tap on publish. After doing that, all you'll need to do now is tap on preview in the top right hand corner, and you can preview it and see how our website looks at the moment. So for example, if we were to tap on this portfolio right here, or this project, you can see an example of how the layout looks. Once everything is to your liking, you'll tap on publish in the top right hand corner, and you'll be provided with a free domain name, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.